Hey, what's happening? Hope you guys are doing well. We're actually working on Swiss cheese today. I have to apologize to all 2.5 of you out there that have patiently been waiting for me to finish this turbo build, really to me even start the turbo build. But I gotta admit, although I am extremely grateful for all of the folks that have enjoyed our YouTube content, it's been a huge hindrance in me accomplishing any kind of projects around the house. And the reason for that is anything and everything could potentially be YouTube content. So I put things off because in my mind, I can't do that because, you know, my camera's not charged up, or, you know, I'm gonna have to film it and then edit it. And so it's a much bigger project than it really even is. I could just get stuff done and not put it on YouTube like normal people. So nonetheless, that's where we are with Swiss cheese. That is essentially the 3-year delay, we'll call it. But I was cleaning the garage out the other day and I said, I'm kind of tired of walking around this project and I've got all these plans and aspirations and like, what the heck am I waiting on? So we're just, instead of waiting on this big, huge month off of work or life, apparently, to be able to accomplish this, I'm just going to start taking little 30-minute and 1-hour chunks out of it. If that's what it is, work on it in the evenings, maybe on the weekend. And we actually just got done putting some hood pins on, and I filmed a bunch of that. So we're gonna chop that up, make it very easy for you to watch, and we're gonna pick back up at the end of all of that to let you know where we're at the moment. So stay tuned. So embarrassing. We got boxes of Christmas lights on this thing. We got the wife's plants all around here. We got some tools. That's a cigar humidor right there. I was hiding Christmas presents and Easter eggs and stuff like that in here. Ugh. Yeah, quite embarrassing. But here's where we're at now. So we got the hood put back on. We got the hood pins, the clasp and everything put on. But you know, I found a huge flaw last night, and I believe what caused it was I had the post here, and then when I let the hood down to rest on the post to make my scribe and then start drilling, the hood wasn't all the way down. So just that 1 inch from here to here has changed the angle so drastically that I really had to go back and re-drill this hole just to get it to line up, and that presents a big problem. The second problem is these posts are too tall. There's not a huge gap between where this pin that's supposed to go through this hole on the post. I can't screw this post far enough down. So even if I had to line the holes up, it wouldn't have worked anyways. So what I've done is I've came back and I've added just a piece of tube, little 3/4 inch tube from one of our deck ballasters or spindles. And I've cut a little 1-inch piece, and we'll grind that down and make it look pretty. But I'm gonna put this on top of our post here. And then what'll happen is I can come up in here and put it right through this hole and line it all up, tighten it down and all that. And then I'm just gonna come through with my welder and I'll just weld that piece right there into place. And that should be good. The problem is I'm out of gas. I need some more gas for my welder. And until I get that, which will be sometime next week, we can't complete the project. So I'm leaving you hanging, but I don't really care because we've got tons of work to do. We're gonna pretty much end the video here. That's all I got for you today. Hope you enjoyed it. Next time, we will be working on this huge oil leak I have down here, which is a result of the oil pan drain bolt. And honestly, I haven't really messed with it because I knew at one point I'm gonna pull that oil pan off anyways. We're gonna put some oil feeds on there, some oil lines for that go to and from the turbo. So we're gonna get that project probably started next time because it would fix a problem that I have, you know, with oil all over the floor. So again, thanks for tuning in. Really appreciate you guys hanging out with us, and we're gonna end the video here. And definitely appreciate you checking it out, seeing the progress we've made, and we need all your support because I need motivation. So keep it coming, and we'll see you on the next video.